Well, good morning. It's Glenn from IG Photography, and this morning doing a sunrise shoot at probably one of the lesser shot pools in the eastern suburbs in Sydney, and that's Malabar pool. So conditions looking relatively promising actually. There's already a little bit of light and colour in the sky, so won't dawdle here, but yeah, just chasing a couple of basic compositions around the pool this morning, perhaps a couple of long exposures. Let's see what we get. Well guys, short and sweet vlog today, but a very pleasant morning, some great light, a bit of colour, really can't complain. So Malabar pool, it's quite a pretty little spot, but you're fairly narrow for where the sun comes up, so you need to pick the right time of the year. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed some of the images I produced this morning, and if you've enjoyed this content, then chuck me a like, chuck me a follow, that'd be greatly appreciated, and as always, I'll talk to you soon.